Jatend migao mar weche tuke Ababu Namwamba oriwore jo Kenya yuago Kelvin Kiptum mane owito ngimane otieno ma piny orugodo kawuono. Namwamba olero ni kaka migao gibiro chano chenro mar jatugono kokwayo jo Kenya mondo olemne familia mar Kiptum sechegi mag kuyo gi lit.
Wanted to inform the nation that we are consulting in government. We officially informed His Excellency the President of this tragic accident immediately it occurred. And as soon as the consultations are concluded, we'll be making an official announcement on how we are going to proceed forward with final respect for this national hero. Kelvin Kiptum is a national hero by any standard, by any stretch of the imagination. And we will honor him in death as we honored him in life. We will be traveling to Kaptagat in the next couple of hours. To view Kelvin's remains and to consult with the family. And after all these consultations, we will share a more comprehensive statement.